You earn a steady paycheck and you put in the hours, but by the final week of the month, the money vanishes. Many assume the solution is a massive salary or $10,000 in seed capital, but a higher income often just feeds a larger version of the same problem. Most people follow a specific sequence. You earn money and immediately route it toward things that don't grow: groceries, rent, shopping, and subscriptions. By the end of the month, the account is depleted. This trap is the result of flawed sequencing. When consumption takes priority over growth, the mathematical result is always zero. Contrast that with how a builder of wealth handles that same baseline income. They don't necessarily have a secret income stream. They simply reverse the order of operations by investing a portion of their money before they pay for their lifestyle. Wealth generation begins the moment you move consumption to the very end of your financial sequence. Start this shift with $100. At this level, money functions as a psychological test of discipline. The objective is to prove you can take that $100 and turn it into $200 through a small service, a digital product, or a side hustle. Successfully doubling that money provides proof of agency. You realize your income isn't something that just happens, it's something you can actively generate. Crossing this threshold marks the pivot from a passive consumer to an active creator. Immediately after that first win, you'll hit a trapdoor: the impulse to spend that first $100 of profit on a reward for yourself. The creator denies that instinct. They take the new profit and funnel it directly back into the system that generated it. This is the mechanical engine of compounding. It begins with a single $100 unit that doubles to $200. As the reinvestment cycle repeats, the growth accelerates. $200 becomes $500, and eventually that $500 scales to $2,000. Mastering the emotional discipline required to keep this engine running is what turns micro-actions into significant wealth. Financial compounding is powerful, but relying on money alone is a fragile strategy. Capital can be lost to market shifts or bad luck. This is why you must acquire permanent assets: skills like sales, marketing, and an understanding of how money moves between parties. These skills are portable. If you lost every physical asset you own tomorrow, your ability to sell and market would allow you to re-enter the economy and begin the cycle of capital generation again. In the creator mindset, you are the primary asset to be invested in. As you grow, you have to mitigate risk. Depending on a single income source creates a point of failure that can stall your entire system. The goal is to build multiple independent streams of income. If one stream stops, the others ensure your financial momentum continues. There is no magic trick here, just a simple, repeatable formula: earn money, reinvest it, build skills, and repeat. Consistent execution of this lifelong algorithm is the only reliable path to break the cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck survival.